Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And well, if you have an Apple device, we had a couple of days ago a update on a serious and very important update that had to do with 0 days flaws in WebKit that actually are already exploited in attacks. And of course, there was the Rapid Security Response update that was issued, and it was actually withdrawn on Monday due to browsing issues on certain websites. So some of you might have applied it. Some of you then came back to me and said, well, I don't see it. Well, that's because it was pulled because of a problem it caused. Now, the fixed versions are there and available. So basically, some of the websites that were broken with the first patch was the Zoom website, a couple of places like that, Instagram, and so on. So basically, the 0 day flaws were unfixed for a couple of days, but now the company has re-released the updates, and they should be available now as they fixed the browser issue. So basically, if you are checking your updates, if you haven't seen them appear on your iPhone, iPad, and Mac computers because they were pulled, well, check again. Should be there, and fixes very important flaws that apparently are very actively exploited against Mac devices. So, tells you one thing: whatever device you're using, you're not more secure on an Apple product or on Linux. It's a fake belief that too many people have. Every device could be, attacked, and security flaws. There's security flaws everywhere. Mac computers fix tons of other. These are critical and important ones because they are exploited in the wild, but they fix dozens and dozens of others that are important or moderate, just like Windows does every month also, and on every device. And Linux has security updates all the time. It's the same thing. You don't update, you're at risk everywhere. And we just got an example in the previous video of the Black Lotus not detectable. When somebody in Windows 7 tells me I'm using Windows 7 on the web and I'm secure, I just laugh because you don't know what you're talking about. You don't even know that you could be infected, and it's not even detectable in any way. So update your Apple devices. The update is back online, and it will keep you secure because this is actively exploited on the wild. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.